You're welcome. Today we're talking about square root of fractions actually. Now, what are square roots? The square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the given number or equals the given number. What do I mean? If they say find the square root of 16, for example, so you find a number when you multiply it by itself gives 16. For example, 4. 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16 equals to what? 16. So the square root of 16 is same thing as 4. So this is symbol for square root. Square root of 16 is equal to 4. Now, let's talk about this given example. Find the square root of these fractions. A, we have 9 over 25. So let's have our square root symbol. What number when you multiply by itself gives 9? Is 3. So the square root of 9 is 3. And what number when you multiply by itself gives 25 is 5. So I can distribute this square root. I have it as 9 over square root of 25. So what square root of 9 is 3. And square root of 25 is what? 5. Because 3 times 3 is 9. And 5 times 5 is 25. Let's solve the second question. 8 over 18. B, I have 8 over 18. Now, in this question, 8 is not a perfect square, and 18 is also not a perfect square. So we are going to reduce these fractions. By doing that, we have to find the highest common factor of 8 and 18. That's the HCF of 8 and 18. Okay, what's the highest common factor of 8 and 18? We have 2 here, we have 4, 2 into 18 is 9. Can any number go to 2 of them without remainder? No number. So the HCF of 8 and 18 is what? Is 2. So let's take it down. 2. Let's maneuver 8 and 18. So we have it as, okay, the square root of 8 and 18. So we want to multiply 2 times what will give us 8 is 2 times 4. Square root over square root. 2 times what will give us 18 is 2 times 9. Are we together? 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 9 is 18. So let's distribute the square root. We have square root of 2 times square root of 4 over square root of 2 times square root of 9. This can cancel this. What square root of 4 is 2 over square root of 9 is 3. So the square root of 8 over 18 is 2 over 3. The last question. Okay. One whole number 9 over 16. One whole number 9 over 16. This is a mixed fraction. We're going to convert to an improper fraction first. 16 times 1 is 16 plus 9 is 25. So I have square root of 25 over the denominator 16. When we distribute the square root, we have it as square root of 25 over, let me change the marker please, over square root of 25 over square root of 16. So what's square root of 25? What can multiply? What number will multiply itself to give us 25? It's 5. I have 5, and square root of 16 is 4. This is an improper fraction. We can leave it as one whole number 1 over 4. So this is the way you find the square root of fractions. Thank you.